Warning: before you begin, this video is not a replacement for reading and understanding the precautions and procedures outlined in the service manual. It is a training aid for qualified and authorized service professionals. Also, be sure to reference the user manual, the installation guide, and the service manual for any further questions as well as warnings that may apply to this particular unit. Begin removing the ice maker itself by removing the two screws holding the ice maker into place. Once the ice maker screws are removed, pull the ice maker towards you. Once ice maker is unattached from the clips, then remove the ice maker wires from the connectors. Next, ensure the ice maker fill spout is straight and not turned to the side. Also, ensure that it is not clogged with ice. Then, moving to the back of the unit, with a Sharpie or permanent marker, mark where the blue water line enters into the black cover. Then, remove the screws that hold on the cover as well as the first clip holding the water line in place. Then, gently pull the water line out of the holder. Then, using a ruler or tape measure, measure from the line that you created 7 3/4 inches. Once you have that spot marked, cut the fill line at that 7 3/4 mark. Once the water fill tube is trimmed, reinsert into the refrigerator. The line that you created should still be in the same spot when you place the black cover back onto the unit. Reattach the cover and the clip that holds the water lines in place. Finally, reattach your ice maker.